and तुका permission जाय. You come after the building is complete. Correct no? तो फायदा काढलो तिने. Keep this in mind. तो फायदा काढलो की they didn't know about the other things and all that thing. But before that, Anton Mascarenhas had already given a direct as a citizen saying that heritage should not be affected. Your heritage should not be affected. He had also given a very, very clear there should be no noise. See the amount of noise. You cannot damage ecology and environment. You have to take permissions from all the other departments. So municipality has done. Magir this NGPD see we are not building this in the land. NGPT is water body. This NGP, this our building is coming in water. So I don't think so you have any authority to look into it. You understand, no? They said it is coming in water, there is no Chalta number and all that. Poila Anton Mascarenhas Chalta number that it is going to be built here. The building will be built from here to there. But when they prepare plan, they put it in the water. No? So that was the first fraud. Second fraud, as I told you, they paid fraud with municipality. Same thing, they played a big fraud with the municipality by telling them, this is GB Marg is arterial road. In the arterial road, there cannot be any construction, and especially on the seaside and the land side. Now, Supreme Court has already asked demolition of a building which is 50 meters from here. You know that trends. I don't have to tell you. They've already asked for demolition on the other side of the road. And these crooked fellows are building it on the seafront, in the sea, which is totally nonsense. Destroying, but they didn't take the thing of biodiversity. Government, IAS is I agree, sir. The Kone vote maybe minister. It is I agree, sir. And these are the rogues who destroy Goa. This is the same thing. They put my name from this ward to Santinese in the election. I'm just correlating how these government officers work. They are wretched. These Delhi fellows are wretched, useless, lazy. I'm handing glove with the minister because here they will get lot of money. If the building comes here, it is going to be casino. There is going to be gambling dens, slot machines, machines for the. What is the building and what do you require building for? Then you have got a nice building already. So they are doing all this.
So just tell me why this officer came today? Who? This officer?
Court has directed. High Court has said, CCZ you are supposed to give permission rightly. Dr. Joe is making serious allegations. Please look into the matter. That the court said in February.
Okay, now inspection, the court has ordered the inspection.
Yeah,
right
court,
now.
High Court.
Okay, High Court.
So now,
Okay.
the judges, sorry. Don't want okay?
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah. Thank you, doctor.
Huh?
Thank you.
So now let us see what
Okay.
they do.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much.
So, which is it should be the best.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Huh?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.